up guys, I'm Noah from Theme Park Fun, and today I'm at Knott's Scary Farm for the Ace Day event, which I'm looking forward to so much because, you know, I've never been to Scary Farm and neither have I been, I don't even know what I'm saying, but it's gonna be my first time at the Ace Day and Scary Farm. I'm looking forward to the new mazes, which is Dark Entities, and we got, what's the other one? It's the Depths, which is Dark Entities is basically going to be a spaceship was overtaken by a, sorry if you guys hear noise too, I'm like right next to Ghost Rider, the station's right there. I was saying Dark Entities is a space station, was took by a bunch of, what is it, like a space creature, and the Depths is going to be basically, oh, here comes Ghost Rider. So the Depths is it's these I don't want to say Voyagers, but it's these workers that were building caves or something underwater. They went down there and they went exploring and they never came back. So we're going down there and, you know, we're gonna go exploring in the caves and hopefully we get back. And I'm here with my brother.
Hey, what's up guys? Happy Theme Park Fun Day.
Yeah, Theme Park Fun Day, you know. And basically, we're gonna do Ace Day. We get behind the scenes tours of Pumpkin Eater and Dark Ride, which I'm looking forward to the Dark Ride one more because I've seen walkthroughs of that maze and it looks phenomenal. And also I gotta say, I improved my camera, so now I am filming on a Canon EOS Rebel T6i, and I got a little Rode mic. If you guys heard that, I just tapped it. It's a nice little microphone. So, and I got a little tripod, bro. I'm getting views from people all around me, but it's okay. See, do you see that fast zoom? Boom, boom. That is quick. Silver Bullet just went by. You know, here comes Ghost Rider right here. So how about you guys just take a look up if it focuses. Oh, look at that. Focus, dumb camera. Okay, zoom back out, and I will see you guys when we sign in. We're over here about to sign in to the Ace event, which is supposed to be over here somewhere, but no one's here. We're kind of early, but that's okay. We're gonna get some nice video for you guys. This Ace event costed like 140 bucks, but it's all good. It's definitely gonna be worth it in my eyes because I love haunts and I love Knott's, so it's gonna be amazing. So let's go and have fun. All right, go. Walking in the park right now, you know, we got that priority life. You know, we got our badges, not badges, got that, and then of course we got our wristbands, and now we're going to go do a behind the scenes tour of Pumpkin Eater, which is a maze here. Walking into Pumpkin Eater right now.
Little backstage action.
Yes, sir.
Guessed it. It's about the nursery rhyme Peter Peter Pumpkin Eater, which goes, Peter Peter Pumpkin Eater had a wife but couldn't keep her, put her in a pumpkin shell, and there he kept her very well. What people don't realize about that is it is actually based on murder.
Yeah. Yeah.
This guy got a lot of women. Compressor.
Nice. Heading into the podcast. Okay. Okay.
Peter Pumpkin. Right?
I think there's someone in this actually. When
Like they go in it.
Yeah. Whoa, this is sick.
I mean, it's all the same. Yeah. Yeah, they get all your senses, like a lot of touch and feel.
Exit.
Because the actor can't touch it, but the dangly things can.
And then we reached the end. We just finished the maze tour for Pumpkin Eater, and now we're gonna go over to Dark Ride and we get a behind the scenes tour of that too. We are next to the exit for Sierra Sidewinder. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna go over and do a little tour, get some photos and videos like I did for Pumpkin Eater. And I'm excited for this one because in my opinion this maze looks like it's gonna be a lot more fun. Get a little glimpse of Ghost Town streets in the daylight because we're not here for the day. Halloween Hootenanny during the day before we ride it at night. This is really cool. It's nice and air conditioned in this one. So quiet though.
Houses through the 50s, 60s, 70s. As public opinion swayed, it shut down, it was abandoned, and everybody working it left and went on the merry way, and nobody thought about this place again.
Different mazes. In the prop room, you'll see props from Pinocchio Unstrung, Uncle Bobo's Funhouse, all kinds of different mazes, Black Magic. And then as we move through that room, there's a clown room where all these discarded clowns are, and a couple of the guys in there are actually from the old mine ride. They're very cool to look at.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of detail in this maze, a lot of leftover stuff from other mazes. In the first room, if you saw, we used to have a display in the park of a family eating Thanksgiving dinner. It's one of the ugliest things that's ever been in the park. And the young boy having dinner, his severed head is in that first room.
Pumpkin is around 40. This is around 45.
Good, good. I'll try to get it one more time. I'll be here.
There's all kinds of stuff. flagship airport, which is kind of like coffee, styrofoam stuff. Not the styrofoam, the paper stuff. This is all video. It's all just, it's cardboard.
It's already just made.
Yeah, it's been made to bolt and molded down.
During the median.
Yeah.
This one really surprised me. There was a
Oh, is there a
there's
person in
somebody,
there?
but they dressed up like a chair.
They jumped out of your chair.
Really, that one got me. I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah. That looks real.
Yeah, like it looks
Like, I would be like, that's gonna jump out at me, and then all of a sudden, from right here, someone's like, boom.
Yeah.
You're like, what the heck?
You guys know what they're doing.
Like,
They're all around.
I think there would be like someone right here that jumps out at you, laying on there. Whoa, this room.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Wait, can you get it?
What?
Nice.
One of the.
Nice.
Supergirl.
This is the actual map, like the layout of this maze, which is very cool, I must say. Castle of Chaos, which is the name of this, well, the name of the dark ride that used to be here. Just walking through. This just looks like a lights on walkthrough, because like there's like pretty much no one in front of me. This is amazing. Someone definitely, I think this is where the monkeys are. The monkeys jump out at you here. Whatever's in there. Ooh, that's creepy, I must say. Amazing. Whoa. This is incredible. Hold on, let me get this for the snap. Just go Snapchat. Behind the scenes maze walkthrough of Dark Ride at Scary Farm. You. Follow me on Snapchat if you know what I'm saying. Walking through this area. Yo, there is no one in here. This is actually like, I'm getting some creepy vibes up in here. But there's no music or anything. So you know, there's definitely gonna be someone in there. I don't even know if you can see that. Ooh, this is so sick. Especially when we're in here by ourselves. These spin. You good, bro? You need some help? I think you need some help. Look at this. We have the whole room to ourselves. Creepy. Alright, back in the big room. Alright, see you guys at dinner. Okay, so eating dinner, I got some chicken and I have like boysenberry pie. I just pressed stuff, but you know, we got some clowns walking around too, which is kind of silly.
Oh, not Disneyland.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am
Are you
sure.
sure?
Have you been
Yes.
smoking too much?
No, this isn't a cigarette, this is a finger.
See, we get really annoyed when people poke our masks all night. So one night I just got so angry, like, I took it right off of some kid. He wasn't happy about it. Good thing he didn't tell my boss.
A friend.
A friend?
I see him. He's just probably trying to hide from y'all.
Trying to hide from us? Why? Is it something you said? It was like, oh.
I know I saw him here.
You should what? A dance battle? You guys want to have a dance battle with us? Come on.
No.
Chase, you're doing this.
Chase.
No.
Chase,
I'm not going to do it myself.
All right, Chase, let's go. We'll go first. We'll go first. All right. What? We'll go easy on you, okay?
We're doing a dance battle.
We'll go easy on you, all right? All right. Ready?
Oh!
Stay away, they're dangerous. Yes, these things, man. Oh, that's okay, that's okay. What about you? What do you got? What do you got? Hey, there we go. And he's not hurting his friends anymore. That's all right. Yeah. Who do you think won?
You guys for sure, man.
What's up?
So we're doing a drawing right now, and guess who's not won yet? Me! So let's hope I win a poster. And I'm looking to the side, so that's great. I should look
The
there.
last print winner is Kira Lepser.
Not me! Okay, so I will see you guys in the haunt at Amaze. Yes.
So our very last prize is a 2018 Not Scary Farm Collector's Pin and Patch Set.
Maybe I'll win this.
But this is also for sale at the Bazaar by the Iron.
So you get that
Let's
for
see.
free.
This is for Charlie Wheeler.
Oh man.
You know, I'm about that losing life, so... Huh? Oh yeah,
And
that's
your
true.
brother's about that winning life.
Yeah, he won, but he won a shirt that was like small, really small, so... And Chase over here won cotton candy.
Thank you guys. Thank you
I'm the only one that
for coming out
lost.
tonight. So Not Scary Farm is a one-time entry, so once
Okay,
you're
so
in, so
I will see you guys in the haunt. Okay, so, oh shoot. You know, I'll put it in my backpack and put it in a cubby. So we're going on Ghost Rider. I got a few pals over here. We got Senior 1 and Senior 2.
Hi.
Yeah, we about to marathon this right here. Cause it's Ghost Rider and look. There's no one here. Let's do this. Let's have a slapping time here, man. Oh yeah, and some dude wanted a shout out. He commented that, so this guy, he's up there. I tagged his channel. Yeah, shout out to you, bro.
Get out of my way, girl!
Just got lit in. We're going straight to paranormal. All right.
Oh my God.
Let's do this. So
I don't know. It's a bird.
All right, let's go into paranormal. Got some nice crowds. Just kidding. It literally just opened about 2 seconds ago. You could see about 1 million people coming in. Yeah, that's right. And ooh, you get nice views of Ghost Rider back here.
Heck yes.
That's so awesome. All right, let's go into paranormal. Probably couldn't hear me, but we're going in paranormal.
This maze is actually from last year, so
Yeah, it's been here for a while.
yeah, it's been here for, I know for sure for 2017. I don't think 2016, but I know
And then
for
we
sure
got the
2017.
depth.
Hold on to you.
Yeah, it is.
Hearing all loud and proud. Who's ready to see a ghost?
Yeah!
That is what I like to. Oh, Barry, what the hell did you do? Can everyone please remain calm? You're all going to die. What?
Yeah. What the heck? There's two sides.
Above you!
I like you.
Your mom. Oh, that got me. Hi. This is good. That was okay.
That end was pretty good. No.
The end was okay.
That point, like where I said it's pretty weak,
Yeah.
and then it got good for like 2, and then it got.
All right. So got done in paranormal. You know, honestly, it doesn't lead up to the hype, I gotta say. But you know, it's still a really good maze. Huh? Yeah. All right, we're going to Dark Entities.
Oh.
Okay, so we're going to the depths now, and okay, so how was paranormal?
No! Oh my god, I just get scared easily.
Are we going to Dark Entities or the depths? The depths is back there. All
Which one's 3?
right,
No, Dark Entities.
we just did 3.
Dark Entities, we're doing it.
We already
All
did
right, we're doing Dark Entities right now. Okay, let's go.
I meant Dark Entities, I got confused.
Yeah, let's walk slow so we get in front. All right, going into Dark Entities. Who's hyped?
Oh my god!
Let's go. All right, we gotta walk slow so we can be in the front. Yes, sir.
Come on, keep it moving. Let's
Present
go.
to the security scanner. It's nights like these that I'm grateful that I do not have olfactory senses. You things are disgusting.
Right this way, test that guy. Right through the portal, it'll walk out there. Horror Oh my god, I feel like I'm being chased by this command.
Multiple alien life forms detected on ship. Warning. Quarantine failsafe.
POV time, or not POV, but you know, reverse POV time.
She was following me this whole time.
Okay, we're squatting up in here. Shoot, what's going on?
Can't let these bastards get them out! The scale for existing conditions. Is this a spleen? Abnormal tissue must be excised. I will save this patient.
Secure the gateway and prepare for jump. Malfunctions detected on all levels. Well 314 back.
Oh my
god. How do you like it? I don't know. It is just so much going on.
All right. Oh, this is actually really cool.
It's time to get out of here. Go! Go!
Yeah. Oh, that actually kind of got me.
That was good.
Oh, you feel the ground?
That
think she was trying to scare me, but I think she was trying to scare me, but I turned around by the time I saw her, so I was like, no, bye, Felicia.
This is way better than Fright Fest.
That was.
Yeah, it is for sure way better than Fright
Actually,
Fest.
that's better than Paranormal.
Oh yeah, Dark Entity is better than Paranormal in my
More
opinion.
than I could, then that means that's good.
But from last year, Vault 666.
Oh, Vault 666 is-
That one was really good.
Yes, and then and Six Flags.
love
Yes,
Vault
that was really good.
All right, off to, I think we're gonna go to the depths and then Trick or Treat lights out, so I'll see you guys in there.
Trick or treat.
Coach Con, we're going in there.
This Trick or Treat lights out, we're going to that next. Okay, I need to skimp out on the filming, but I will link all POVs of all the mazes if you guys want to see that in the iCard. I need to save my battery, it's already flashing at me, so I'll just vlog in between mazes. We're in the depths. You know what, I'm just gonna film till my battery dies.
No.
All right. All right, see you guys outside. Out of the depths, and that was honestly pretty
the
damn
effects
good.
were good, but
The effects were good, but there really weren't many scares.
The effects are so lit. Like this would be. I would recommend this maze. Like I was even screaming. Like there's so many strobe lights, and like the effects are so good. You feel like you're actually in water. I was like, oh heck no! I saw a hand in there. I was like, no.
Yeah, he scared him at the end. All right, gotta put my camera away real quick because my battery's dying. Okay, we're going into Trick or Treat lights out. I'm not gonna film in there because
Like, you get candy?
I wish, but I'm not filming in there because it's literally pitch black and you won't be able to see anything. So I will see you guys after the maze. Woo! Okay, we just got off, or not off, but out of Dark Ride. What did you think?
Oh my god, that wish you all like.
Me coming in clutch with the jump scares.
Yeah, and
Oh my God.
now we're going over to Red Barn and Special Ops.
And they did that on purpose because I'm afraid of it.
Yeah. All right, so let's go do it. Oh yeah, and we rode Ghost Rider twice, by the way. Okay, going into Special Ops Infected right now. It's at the Mystery Lodge.
I had to ride the Red Barn.
He did the Red Barn. There you guys can see Special Ops Infected. We're about to go in. This is the one. Yeah, you get a gun and you get to shoot the zombies.
But the only thing is, it's headshots only.
Yeah, you can only get headshots.
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, that would really be
Honestly, I should be a paid actor.
All right, let's go. Just got out of Special Ops Infected, and it literally feels like you're in a video game. Like, it's amazing. And now we're gonna go do Hang Time, the roller coaster, of course. And we're gonna do Accelerator, Dark Ride, you know, everything over there. So let's go do it. Okay, so we're going to Hang Time right now. As you guys can see, I'm filming on my phone, so if it's different quality, I mean, obviously you're gonna know. And yeah, let's go do this. Hang Time during Scary Farm. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that means less people are gonna notice it.
All right, we're going in Shadowlands. All right, we went on Hang Time twice. I'm just saying. Yo, we got the homie up in here. All right, so, whoa. Okay, so yeah, we're just walking through Shadowlands, and we're gonna do Accelerator next.
Oh, that's the guy from earlier. What's up, my homie?
Oh yeah. Whoa, that was loud, dude. Oh. All right, so
This is totally out of me.
whoa. All right, see you guys later. Okay, we just got out of Shadowlands and Supreme Scream. Shadowlands, phenomenal. I want to do it again. And I'm going on Accelerator. You don't even know how many times I've been here. The past times that it's been closed. I've been here literally the past 3 times Accelerator was closed. So I'm going on it right now because I need my accelerator
Remember when it was
fix.
down for like 7 months?
Yeah, it was down for 7 months, and I came here during that. I was so mad. Yeah, but we're going on right now. Accelerator. Let's do this.
Trapping out the back street, running through the patch like a trap meet. Pull up with 2 pistols.
Accelerator, and now we're going on Dark Ride. In Dark Ride right now. All right. All right, we're gonna do Timber Mountain Log Ride now.
Creatures and monsters
It's faster than the
Oh my! You guys don't even know how wet I am.
Hold on to the handrails and keep your feet during jobs. Hold on to the handrails and keep your feet
My gosh, I can't even see.
I know!
Oh my god! Oh, yay! We did it! Alright. Going in the hollows right now. And we're going into Pumpkin Eater, which I'm not gonna film. Well, I don't even film in any of the mazes because my camera's dead and you can't even see on the phone. But yeah, you guys get it. We're going in the hollows. We're going in Pumpkin Eater. But you guys saw it earlier anyways. Alright, let's go. We just got off of Jaguar, and I think we are going to leave right now. We are done for the day. We've gone on every maze, every Scream Zone. So yeah, I think that's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.